Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you the pixel quality tutorial on CapCut. So in this case, I'm gonna be edit this video into a pixel or bad quality video. So what you can do is click on the video and then pinch in the video so that it becomes smaller like this. Okay, and then after that, export the video. Click on done and then click on new project and add the video that you've just exported, and here click on the video again and enlarge it like so. So now you can see the video has bad or pixel quality like this. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you think this content is helpful for you, please click thanks below. If you like the video, please click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. See you at the following tutorial. Bye.